For this lab, we're doing aseptic techniques. For any aseptic environment, you need a flame. In the food micro lab, we'll be using an ethanol flame, so it'll look a bit different. You need your samples and your sterile tubes, then some way to transfer, so either a 1 microliter loop, or you can use a pipette or a 10 microliter loop. So for this one, we're just going to be using the disposable loops. First, we have A and B in tube 1 and tube 2. So my A and B tubes are inoculated or possibly inoculated, and I'm going to be transferring 1 microliter from tube A to tube 1, 1 microliter from tube B to tube 2. So you want to pick up your 1 microliter loop and in your dominant hand. Then your starting culture, you're going to use your pinky. So you take your pinky and you wrap it firmly around the tube cap. With your left hand, you're going to unscrew the tube. So this is the way you have it, okay? You're going to flame. Take your sample carefully, not touching any of the walls, and then you're going to flame again and close it. You want to be very steady-handed so that you don't spill your sample. Your transfer tube or your sterile tube that you will be inoculating, same thing. Hold it with your pinky, flame, and inoculate. So when you inoculate, you want to swirl your sample in the tube. Before closing it, you want to flame one more time. Okay, so that was the slow version. So the second version, I'm going to do it a bit faster, and you want to also make sure that you throw away your loop after you transfer it, and then you want to throw it away into the autoclave bag. Okay, so sample B, remove the cap, flame, take your sample, flame, transferring to the sterile tube, flame, inoculate, throw away, flame, this. Okay, after you've inoculated all your tubes, you want to shake them in a 1 meter arc about 15 times, or use a vortex. So that is aseptic technique.